Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Cloudflare Workers and KV access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Cloudflare Workers and KV access, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the Workers section of your dashboard. Create a new worker by clicking on the Create a Service button. Name your worker and select a script template or start with a blank script. Open the Worker script editor to write your authentication code. Set up your KV namespace by going to the KV section in your Cloudflare dashboard. Click on Create a namespace and provide a name for your KV store. Once created, note the namespace ID as you will need it for your script. In your Worker script, use the Fetch API to handle incoming HTTP requests. Extract the credentials from the request headers or body based on your authentication method. Create a function to validate the extracted credentials against your stored data. If the credentials are valid, access the KV store by using the appropriate methods. Use the namespace ID with the syntax namespace.get to retrieve data from your KV store. Handle any errors that might occur during data retrieval. If authentication fails, return a 401 unauthorized response in your Worker script. Once authentication is successful, proceed with further processing, like returning user-specific data. Save your Worker script and use the preview option to test your implementation. Make adjustments if necessary based on the test results. Deploy your worker to make it publicly accessible. You can now use Cloudflare Workers to authenticate users and access KV data effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.